I didn't meal prep, so this was the quickest dinner ever. So what we're doing is chuck eye steak in the cast iron, microwave baked potatoes, and fresh shrimp because I just wanted some. Now I started off earlier, you saw me marinating the steaks with wash your sister sauce and Montreal steak seasoning, and then I just left it in the fridge for a while. Now I heated up the oil in the cast iron and seared both sides of the steaks. And while I'm babysitting these steaks, I went ahead and dropped some butter in there, and I'm going to scoop that over them. And then I take and I just slide those steaks into the oven while I'm microwaving the potatoes. And then I'm going to go ahead and just quickly cook these shrimp until they're done. We had some very happy people tonight. I was super happy because considering I didn't meal prep, this is the quickest dinner in the existence of history. And I know I don't have any vegetables and vitamins and all that, but you know what? I don't care. I didn't care tonight. I just wanted some protein. I've been cold all week. I needed some beef in my life, and this was the quickest way to get it. So I just added the shrimp on top of the steak. There's the steak. Yum. Plated up these bad boys. Everybody got baked potatoes, and everybody is a happy camper. Especially Andy, because I'm pretty sure baked potatoes are her love language. Happy family tonight, y'all.